Alright guys, came in this morning and was told up on the first floor don't feel like there's any air. So I pulled up on my computer and as you can see it says the motor's on, it's not running. I'm going to take you back here and show you why. Alright, this motor, it turns, but there's a lot of noise going on inside. So I've got another one right back here. So I'm going to end up swapping them out and we're going to see what happens. This will take a while, so I will turn it back on when I get the other motor back in here. Alright, I got this behemoth out of here. Next thing I do is pull this pulley, or sheave as some people may call it, pull this off and put it over here on this other motor. What I'm doing is taking out these set screws to get the key out. Well, it's like it's holding it to the key, I guess you'd say, the keyway. I may have to go get my puller to pull this off, I'm not sure. But I'm thinking it's the only two it's going to have. Yeah, that's all I feel. Alright, let me go see about finding that. Alright guys, my puller was just way too small, so I just try on some. There it comes. There we go. Alright. Now put it over here on this one. Alright, now let me get this one off of this wood platform here, move this old one out the way and get this one up on there. This thing is very, very heavy. I'll look in a few minutes and see how much it weighs. I'll be right back. Alright, I got it in here. Wasn't easy. It actually fell out when it twisted. See right there where it bent. Piece of the frame right here. But anyway, that's what it fell on, so I'm not really worried about that. Alright, I'll get the power all hooked up to it and get it set and we'll get ready to turn it on. Alright, I got the motor back in and everything's tightened down. Motor's all fastened in, but the belt is very loose. So I'm going to tighten that all up and then we'll turn it on, see what happens. Alright guys, I just started her up. It's a running. Alright, well, I know this ain't a DIY project. Well, actually it is, but not for home. But anyway, my air handler is up and running. This air handler takes care of part of the first floor, and then the next air handler over takes care of the other part. So we are all good. Everything's good. I'm going to check the temperatures and watch them for a bit, make sure they're going to start coming down. Appreciate you guys watching.